Hello, I'm just going to do a quick video. I've been asked a couple of times how to change the refills on the Prym marking pencil. So this is your Prym marking pencil. It's actually, we've got a new one and it's exactly the same, but it's come out in pink as well. But I'm just going to take you through the principles of this. You will also need the refill pack, which I know the writing's the wrong way around. But in your refill pack you get a pink, a yellow and a grey. In the new pencils, they've actually put, I think it's a grey in this one as well, which is great. So when you get your pencil, you'll have two refills already in here and you have a rubber on this end. What you're going to do is you're going to press, get it like this, press this end like that. And can you see the pencil lead will come out? So just take the pencil lead completely out like that, okay? To replace it, all right, just keep your finger on this end. I'm a little bit close to the video, but I wanted you to see it. Keep your finger on this end and pop the lead. Can you see? I've got my fingers in the way. So can you see? Just pop the lead in like that. Push it all the way down. All right. And then if you just, whoa, she says, it's like the golden shot here. And then what you're going to do is just press this again. And when you press this, the lead will come out. Okay. So hopefully that'll help you. So basically it's just a matter of keeping this end pressed in and inserting the lead into this end. Can you see? Inserting it into that end, and then you'll need two leads in. So always make sure that you have one lead in and then your other lead will go on top of there. Now it doesn't matter how many times you change the colours. I do this all the time. So if I need a grey, I'll use the grey one, and if I need a pink one, I'll just quickly change it to the pink one. You only need to change that end lead. All right. The mechanical pencils are brilliant. They're always going to keep you a nice sharp edge, so when you're quilting or if you're marking your stencils, it'll be absolutely fine. Now you can find these on Crate and Craft, and I sell these with the pencil and the leads together. Or you can go to our website, which is www.six-penny.com, and that's the words six-penny.com. Or alternatively, give me a call on 07908, I'm having to look at this, 07908 748 856. So that's your Prym marking pencil and refill. Thank you.